Alright guys, today is December 30th. Actually I had one of the subscribers, one of you guys asked me if I could do a walk for him. And sure, I have no problem doing walks because that's what I like doing. Anyways, where I'm at is right here at the end of Walking Street. There's Walking Street right there, there's the McDonald's, and here is MacArthur running this way. The subscriber wanted me to start here at the end of Walking Street and walk towards Dao. So that's what we're doing this morning. We are walking towards Dao. Alright guys, you know what? New Year's is right around the corner. And one of the things Filipinos do is they'll gather 12 fruits. And they'll keep 12 fruits in the house over the New Year's. That's for what? 12 months of the year, right?
That brings you luck.
Brings you luck, but the 12 fruits are because of the 12 months throughout the year. So right now you see a lot of these fruit stands set up. And everybody's buying their fruits for the New Year's. Now if you go down this way here, this road takes you down to Marquee Mall. And all the motorcycle custom shops are down there. See, I don't know if you guys remember, those that are here, were here, there used to actually be a traffic light right here. It's still sitting there, but they've rerouted this traffic. You can no longer make a left coming out of the side road or turn down the road. Everything now is forced into one direction. Got your salons through here, your nail places. Dental. You know, just because the names on the building sometimes might not necessarily be the business that's inside. And there's a guitar shop. I've driven by all these, glanced at them, but really don't know what's in a lot of these. So many small businesses in these buildings here. There's the circle area. Rent a car. Thank you. Thanks. Road over here, that one there straight ahead, that takes you down to the main gate going into Clark. Like I said, all this has been redone through here within the past couple years. They're forcing people down and around the circle here, and then from there you go to wherever you need to go, Angeles City or Dao. But yeah, that road there, that goes into the main gate. So if you haven't been here in a few years, all this has changed through here, as you can see. That road there on the left that we're coming up to, that takes you, well, it takes you down around the circle, but if you keep going straight there, that'll take you down to SM Clark. And Goat Road's down that way, and Yu Fu Inn, the Chinese restaurant we ate at, is down that way also. Putting up some new signs. Somebody mentioned about a windsock on my camera here. The Canon G7X, which I'm using, has the microphone on top. There's not a port to plug into for an external mic. One of the only things I don't like about the Canon G7X. But I'm going to have to try to find a way to put something over the microphone because, you know, I love using this camera. The only problem is it picks up all that wind noise. Check out these dudes. Hello! Happy New Year!
Yeah, what's for that?
Huh?
So now, you upload YouTube?
Yes, sir. MP?
You will upload that?
Yes.
Yeah, okay.
You're on YouTube.
Thank you very much.
All right. Second-hand store here. This one. Got the TVs here. You know what's amazing is they still use the box TVs here. You see the old box TVs? And they still work. Just no HD or 4K on them. Got a pet store. Lumber store, hardware store, tile store, shingles for roof, it looks like. Oh, roofing system, it's all roofing. Thought I seen tiles in there, it's all roofing. Tire dealer. Yes, they do emissions testing here. You wouldn't be able to tell by the smoke that pours out of these vehicles, but yes, emission testing is required when you register your vehicle for the year. Bicycle place here. It's where we got a Hannah Gracer bicycle for Christmas right here. OBGYN, a rim store, Goodyear tires for sale. It's like a garage. More auto places, more bicycle shops. Alternator starters, harness wiring, AC, DC motors, power tools, power generators. Got a little shop back in there. Just we'll walk down here to Pure Gold. Motorcycle shop, used and new, SYM. Another motorcycle and scooter shop. That was. What was that? Huh. Other side of the street, law offices, travel and tours. New construction going on in there. It's a hijack control point. Please bear with us. Thank you for your cooperation. Anti-hijacking control point. Anti-hijacking. Anti. At the police station here, police compact 1. Alright guys, remember, if you haven't subscribed, please take the time to subscribe. Like, share, dislike, choice is always yours. Leave the comments below, share with your family and friends, and I guess until next time.